नमस्कार आप सबको। सबसे पहले तो हमारे साथ में जुड़े हुए इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर बत्रा जी और जो इंटरनेशनल वुशु फेडरेशंस है उसके सेक्रेटरी जनरल मिस्टर जांग चिउपिंग जो अभी हमारे सामने साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, और वुशु एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट भूपेंद्र सिंह बजवा जी और जनरल सेक्रेटरी जितेंद्र सिंह बजवा जी और वुशु के तमाम जितने भी जो अधिकारीगण हैं वुशु एसोसिएशन के, हर स्टेट से पार्टिसिपेंट्स जितने जुड़े हुए हैं, मैं आप सबको बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि इस लॉकडाउन के समय सबसे पहले भारत में खेल का राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ऑनलाइन नेशनल चैंपियनशिप वुशु वाला ने ऑर्गेनाइज करने में कामयाब हुआ है, और मुझे इसमें जुड़ने के लिए आप लोग ने बुलाया। मैं उत्साहित हूं और आप सबको बधाई देता हूं। और जितना जो वुशु खिलाड़ी है तो हर स्टेट से जुड़े हुए हैं। अभी जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में हमने देखा, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गेम। वुशु इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल स्पोर्ट. It has a grace, it has energy, flexibility, strength, stamina. Wushu is very beautiful game. So, to see the demonstration, especially the small child from West Bengal, it's such a beautiful demonstration. So, we could see some of the demonstration from Arunachal Pradesh, from Maharashtra, Punjab, Delhi, so many states have participated. But now you will be participating in the main event, which is starting from today, 15th May, to 18th of May. So this 4-day event is going to be very interesting, very intense. I think Wushu has a great future in India. Like our yoga is also globally very popular. Same, Wushu is also very ancient art. It has lots of meaning. It's not just you pick up a game and play. Wushu has lots of meaning, very deep meaning. Physical, mental, balance, concentration, everything, calmness. So Wushu is technically very, very disciplined sport, and it's going to be very beneficial for the health also, fitness also. And for the competitive sport, it's a very attractive game. So I have no doubt in my mind that the popularity of the Wushu game will grow globally and in India as well. I was very happy last time during the World Championship, India won the first gold medal, and then we got the bronze medal also. And in the Asian Championship, India did well. So I'm sure with the support of the International Federation, and especially our Secretary General Mr. Zhang Chiuping is joined here, the international organization will assist the National Federation in India and promote Wushu in different sphere of our life in all parts of India. From the government of India side, I assure full support and cooperation. I will try to see that what extra help government can assist to the federation. I am very happy with the federation, especially our president, Dr. Bhupendra Singh Bajwa, and Secretary Jitendra Singh Bajwa. They are very committed people. We are a very committed team. And that shows, your commitment shows that you are going to take forward Wushu in India to a larger scale. And the popularity of the game will also depend on how much we perform in the international level. So India winning medals at the international level is also adding lots of value to our commitment. From government side, we are promoting Fit India movement. So Wushu will be one of the important sport in popularizing the Fit India campaign which is going on in India. I'm very happy that our sports federations in India, led by our Indian Olympic Association President Dr. Narendra Batraji, we are working very closely, and I'm sure that all the sports federation will come together and promote the sports in a much larger scale in India, and government is here to support in whatever possible way. So this online Taulu National Wushu Championship, it is a very exciting thing for me, and on the inauguration day I am happy to join you all. I wish I can also see some of the event. Maybe in the social media you will put out some of the competition in the social media, we can see. And my best wishes to all the participants from all the states and union territories of India. This beautiful game will definitely make it more attractive. More people will be in future attracted to Wushu. I'm once again thankful for inviting me to be the chief guest here and for the inauguration. So I would like to officially declare the opening of the online National Wushu Championship, and my best wishes to the organizers and especially to the athletes, the players who are going to be the key in making this National Online Wushu Championship a successful event. Once again, thank you everybody. Thanks to the Secretary General, Mr. Zhang, for joining, and all those who are joining here online through this Zoom video conference, and also making this memorable inaugural ceremony in a very unique way. My best wishes to everybody for health and safety during our battle against the COVID-19. We are very hopeful that we will be able to defeat this disease, this pandemic, and the Olympic is postponed by a year. We hope to come together soon. The sports events are not going to be same. We are not going to see the spectators in the stadium in the immediate future, but we are also planning to discuss how to make sports more attractive, to make it to reaching out to the people by using social media, the technology, television, streaming, live streaming and all. So we want that sports to come back to life as soon as possible. People are eager to see the sporting events. People are waiting, but we have to fight this bigger battle against the pandemic. So I hope with a changed scenario, post-COVID, things will be different, but we have to learn with a different way, with a different situation, and to make it more useful, more attractive, how we can do it, we will discuss it. I once again thanks everybody for joining, and best wishes for the grand success of the online National Wushu Championship. Thank you very much.